bundle. Alright, let's see what we got. We got this red off the shoulder blouse that it's a crop top, but you can't really.
They keep sending you those crop top type things.
I know, and I just look like a.
Aren't you getting a chance to?
I haven't gone through it and done that in a while. So I probably should.
Yeah.
So that one's gonna be a no. Not even gonna try it on.
Why?
Because I don't want to. Another no.
It's just really plain, isn't it?
Well, the ruffles are throwing me for a loop here, and I don't like that. This might be the one box that we don't keep anything from them. Did they send me someone else's box?
You have to at least try it on.
I'm not trying this on. Mama, do you want my titties to pop out of it?
I think it's meant to be worn with something under it.
Not put it on.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, pants. Or a skirt. No, a dress. Okay, I'm kind of into this actually, but I know I'm going to look like a cube in it. I'm going to look like a cereal box, but I'm going to try it on. And some pants. Just regular black pants.
Those may come in handy.
I'm going to keep these.
Yeah,
alright, I'm going to go try them on. The only two that I'm trying on.
Nails.
What do you think? How do you feel?
I don't like the waist.
You don't like the waist? Well, that's just because I'm fat. That has nothing to do with the dress. I'm just fat. I kind of like it. I think I want to keep this.
Would you, I don't know, put some sort of a... It seems like it would go good with a wide belt type thing.
I'm not about to put a belt on.
You know, a wide one.
Mama, nobody wears belts anymore.
With like a color. Like a red one and wear red shoes with it.
No, you get a red handbag and you wear red shoes. A red lip. But nobody wears belts anymore.
I mean, you can keep it if you want, but I don't think it's flattering.
You don't have to. It's not your body. Huh? Huh? It's just because I'm fat. That's all. That's all it is. I'm just fat. Alright, I'm gonna go try on the pants.
I like the top.
I do too. That's kind of why I want to keep it, because I'm not gonna find anything like this again. The problem is, what kind of bra would I wear with this? Like a sticky bra? Could that happen? We couldn't figure it out, but...
I mean, there's plenty of strapless bra things.
There's fall. I could get like some pasties. Some little flowers.
You can do a sticky one you have.
Yeah. Band-aids on my nipples.
If you still have it.
I do. Little black dress. I don't know what this looks like.
The top's a no, but the pants are good.
Go.
Those will be nice and useful for you.
Yeah.
Turn that light off. Because, I mean, they'll go with so many things.
If you pull them up some,
Come
this would be kind of cute. But the thing is, I can't move my arms without showing my midriff.
Turn around. Yeah, I mean, those are going to go with so many things.
See? I look like 10,000 pounds. I haven't even seen myself, but I know I do.
That looks better than the dress. In the midriff.
No, it doesn't. I look like a 4-year-old. You're just I'm not trusting your fashion anymore because you think I look better than this.
I mean, I still don't like it.
I still don't like it. It's okay. I still don't like it.
But it looks better than the dress. I really don't like the dress.
I'm keeping the dress.
And the pants?
And the pants, yeah.
Alright. That's it.
I want more jeans. I want them to send me more blue jeans.
Well, you need to go tell them that?
Well, I put that on there as something that I very much wanted.
And that you get a chance to customize a little more.
Kinda.